Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Cuddle, and for this Kung Fu combination, we're going to be working with some palm strikes and a double push. Okay, so let's get to work. First thing we're going to do is start from a square horse stance position. We're going to throw a back fist. Now make sure this has a good unravel, and then we're going to follow up with a straight thrust out with a thrusting palm, making sure to keep the fingers sideways. So we have 1, 2, then we're going to follow up back to a horse stance position, and we're going to go to number 3. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to get into the big pressing palm position. So what we're going to do is take the hands, bringing the back of the hands together from down, up, and then out to the sides. Okay, so we're going to roll the hands up, and then you want to fling them out to the sides here. So again, we have 1, 2, 3. Now bring those hands down, up as we step back to a cat stance, and then fling them out to the side. Then we're going to bring them up by the ears, step forward, drop down nice and low, and then a double palm press. Okay? So again, we have 1, 2, 3, step back, fling the hands down, step forward, double palm press. Facing towards you, I have 1, 2, 3, step all the way back, fling out to the side, step forward, double palm press. Okay? One last time. 1, 2, 3, step back, 1, step forward, 2. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this Kung Fu combination. If you do, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also check out my Patreon. I have a lot of applications that I'm posting, and you can get access to that just by stopping by today. Alright, till next time, this is Sifu Cuddle.
Bam! Fist with a forward.